In today's video, I'll show you some real-life USA money hacks which you can use to gradually save more money without having to earn more. Watch until the end, because there's a bonus hack at the very end which many Americans don't know about.
Imagine coming in the middle of the month and seeing only $12 in your bank account, but someone in the same city is saving thousands of dollars at the end of the month. How do you know the difference? They know some secret money hacks, and you don't. Want to learn them? Start here.
Is good in the USA, but spending pressure is huge. Rent, groceries, gas, bills, everything keeps climbing. So just earning more? That's not the solution. The real game is saving money smartly.
Number 1, pay yourself first. Set up an auto transfer from your bank app as soon as your paycheck arrives. Say 10% will go straight to your savings account. Don't spend it unless you see it. After a few months, you'll see that a large emergency fund has been created by adding small amounts.
Number 2, smart grocery shopping. Make a short list before you go to the store. If you buy something off the list, ask yourself, do I really need it? Many stores have digital coupons and loyalty offers. Using these can save you hundreds of dollars on groceries at the end of the month.
3. Public libraries are hidden gold mines, not just books. Many libraries offer free internet, online courses, even movies, audiobooks, and printing services at low cost. Where others pay $50 to $60 a month for a subscription, you get the same thing for almost free.
Hack number 4. There is no rule that everything has to be bought new. Many thrift stores or secondhand shops offer branded clothes, furniture, and home decor at very low prices. If you don't just think about the label, but think about the value, then the savings here are...
Understand the transportation game and play it. A car is not just about gas. It's insurance, maintenance, parking, all of which are huge expenses. If possible, take public transportation, carpool, or cycle and walk short distances. You can save up to a few $100s a month.
Number 6, subscription detox. Just sit down for a day and look at your subscription list. How many do you actually use? And how many are just taking money? 3 or 4 streaming, separate apps, add them all together and you'll see those small fees are carving a big hole. Cancel the extras, keep what you love, and watch your expenses.